Hello Postman, this is Smith Patel applying for Postman Student Leader Program. In this video, I will be explaining my grandparents that what is an API. Firstly, what does API stands for? API stands for Application Programming Interface. Secondly, how do they work? I will be explaining that with an example. Let's take a hypothetical situation in which you drive a car to a hotel. You ask the valet to get your car parked in the parking slot. When you return from the hotel, you ask the valet to get your car back from the parking slot. In this scenario, the valet worked as an API. You are the user, and the parking slot is an server on which the API will do the work. When you ask the valet to get your car parked in the parking slot, it makes a post request, which is a simple request made by an API. And when you ask the valet to get your car back from the parking slot, it will make an get request, which is also a simple request made by an API. So what does API do? API communicates between the server and the user to make the things easy. Let's take a real life scenario which we uses in our day-to-day life. When you suppose that you want to watch a video on YouTube, when you click on a thumbnail, the YouTube API will fetch the data from the server and starts playing the video in front of you. My explanations ends here. Thank you and hoping for a positive reply.